Gemma, football makes us cry sometimes, but they're happy tears, aren't they?
Yeah, I don't know if I've disgraced myself today, but it was just, this has been a lot of years and a lot of work over a lot of years, and I'm just so pleased for the staff, for all of the girls involved. Brit and Ferry were fantastic. I really want to make that, that known, that they were just superb. They were unbelievable, and we've beaten an extremely good side who also deserve to be in the Adran Premier as well. But look at what it means to these girls. It's fantastic.
I think the emotion that I saw from you there on that final whistle and during that presentation just encompass what it means and what a journey these girls have been on as well.
Yeah, I'd say so. It's just been, it's been several years, as I mentioned, of hard work, and just to see what this means to us all. And as you can see, when I'm stood there crying, it was a fantastic feeling and a fantastic achievement for these girls that we're going to be playing Adran Premier next season.
Yeah, well, that's the thought to take home with you this afternoon. Llongyfarchiadau mawr, Gem. Enjoy it.
Diolch. Thank you.